Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining another edition of Hyper University. My name is Susie, and today's training will be on Xfinity Prepaid Internet. As a reminder, Hyper University hosts trainings every Wednesday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and each week we offer a different curriculum. Our trainings generally take anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes, and we will email a copy of the training content to all attendees following each session. We also encourage our retailers to recommend any curriculum that they would like to see in the future. We're always open to ideas and we will implement accordingly, so please let us know. I would like to introduce our trainer, Shaniqua, who will now begin the session. Take it away, Shan.
Hi guys, this is Shaniqua here. So today's training topic is going to be Xfinity Prepaid Internet. We're going to go over the details and the activation process. So why this training? Comcast Xfinity gives customers easy access to high-speed internet without the need to commit to a company through contracts or needing to break the bank in order to afford the service. With this prepaid option, customers stay in control while still accessing an essential service. So Xfinity prepaid services are an option for customers who otherwise might not be eligible or desire postpaid internet service. This short training will help you understand what Xfinity prepaid services are, who may be interested, how to offer it, and how to process a pre-activation order. Why sell Xfinity prepaid? So Xfinity Prepaid for our retailers is an incremental revenue opportunity. Offers our customers in-home Wi-Fi, improves mobile phone in-home performance, and saves on data plan usage. This product is going to drive traffic to your location, and it's a very high customer satisfaction product. And there's also very, very positive word of mouth activity with this product. So simply put, Xfinity Prepaid customers are happy with the service and they're telling their friends. Which customers can benefit? With this product, there's nothing long-term about this product. So customers can view and surf the web, watch TV, or both with no long contract, credit check, or requirement to provide a social security number. So as you talk to your customers, you can determine if the Xfinity Prepaid service might fit their lifestyle. So what type of customers would enjoy the convenience and flexibility of this product? So customers who have credit issues or who don't want to pay a deposit. Customers who might not need service year-round. So you may have customers who may have vacation homes and things like that. They may also like a product like this where they're not tied into any monthly contracts. And also those customers who want to budget for expenses ahead of time. So we know prepaid services is an excellent product that will allow your customers to pre-plan for their expenses, just like their prepaid cell phone. So you can keep that in mind when you're selling this product. How do you start the conversation with your customers? Asking all your customers, that's the main thing. So do you have a fast, reliable internet service for your home? Do you want to save $5 today? You can also let them know that their kids can go online to do homework. This is an essential product right now because a lot of kids are at home doing homeschooling, and the opportunity for a family night in, you guys can watch movies, just explain the services like that. Once you talk to your customers in real words, they'll understand it, and you can just go ahead and ask them, hey, can I check your address today to see if you qualify for this awesome service? So as you can see here, the starter kit itself retails for $80. When you guys purchase the units from us, retailers, the kit is $55. So as soon as you sell the product, you make a markup on a device. 7-day service refill is $15. A 30-day service refill is $40. But for our Boost customers, they actually receive a $5 discount on their monthly services. Comcast also offers prepaid internet TV. When you guys are activating the unit, the prepaid instant TV option is going to come up on the Xfinity portal. This option is available for payment through your ePay system. This is a prepaid instant TV service, so they have different packages. Just keep in mind that in order to sign up for this, the customer will have to have a Roku enabled TV or a Roku stick attached to their TV, and they also must have the internet service in addition to the prepaid instant TV. So some of the packages that are available with the prepaid instant TV, for basic TV, you have $22 a month. That would give the customer, I believe, 7 channels. We also have prepaid entertainment package, which is provided for a fee of $37, which also includes the 10 prepaid base channels. And then as you can see there, depending on what your customers are into, whether it's sports or they want to do family packages, or if they even want to sign up for premium channels, you can also do that. So it's very affordable. And again, if a customer cannot afford this package this month or premium channels this month, they can always omit that from their services through your ePay system. So it's very flexible. Again, just as a reminder, Roku stick is required in order for you to watch it on a TV. Otherwise, you will have to watch it on your mobile device, such as a phone or a tablet or an iPad. Roku sticks probably cost around $30 or $40, but most of the TVs now have the Roku app built in, and you would just be able to start that up and start the Xfinity app through your Roku system. Okay, so now that we know about the Xfinity product, let's go ahead and take a moment to show you the activation process. So the first thing that you want to keep in mind is if the customer's address is serviceable. To find out if a customer service address is eligible for the product, we would log into our Xfinity system. And that link is available on our Hyperlink website. We'll email you the link at the end of this training. So the first thing that you want to do is check to see if a customer is eligible. So once you log into your Xfinity portal, automatically you'll come up with the screen to check the availability of the customer's address. So you would just go ahead and type in the customer's address, keeping in mind the apartment number is very, very important for internet services. Once you type in the address, you are going to confirm your entry and then hit next. The system is going to come back with the results of the address check, and in most cases the customers are going to be eligible. It's going to show you what packages or what products the customer is available for. So in this case, this customer is eligible for internet and also prepaid TV. So you'll see here, and in this case, if that green bar comes up and says the prepaid service is all ready to be pre-activated, in this case, the customer does not have to wait the 48-hour period in order to activate their services. This customer's address is already in the system. They already have wiring, so this customer is good to go. If you get eligibility results like this when you run the customer's address, unfortunately, we don't have service at this time. Maybe in the future, Xfinity will have service in your area. This mostly happens in apartment complexes that may have contracts with other internet service providers. So that will be the case. Maybe the area itself has Comcast service, but this particular address does not. And like I said, it usually happens in apartment complexes. If you get this response here, a reminder to tell the customer to wait after running the address, the customer will have to wait 48 hours before activating their device. This just means that Comcast has some additional work on the back end to create the account. So after you get your eligibility results, then you can go ahead and inform the customer that yes, your address is eligible, and you can go ahead and enter in the customer's information. Here you want to make sure that you put accurate information. So the customer's first name, last name, phone number is very important, especially if they're a Boost Mobile customer, because when they come in to make their payments, they are going to be using this phone number to get their $5 monthly discount. This is also how the account is pulled up in your ePay system to make the payment. So always make sure that the phone number is accurate. And the customer's email address is very important because Comcast is going to use that email address for account confirmations and account completions once the pre-activation process is done. You can also select languages here. And at the bottom there is where you would choose the type of product the customer is interested in. So if the customer is interested in internet only, you would just select internet. If the customer would like to add a TV package there, you would add that on at that time, or the customer can do it at a later date. So on this screen here, this is just verifying all the information that you put in. So the customer's address, the equipment serial number, the MAC address, that's very important to make sure that you get that information correct. The MAC address is normally saved on the box itself. You can also check the modem just to make sure that the equipment is matching the box. And here's where you just confirm all the information with the customer, and then you would just submit the pre-activation application. At this point here, the pre-activation process has been completed. And at this point, you can just remind the customer, based on what the information came back with earlier, if they can go home and plug in and play and set up their online account, or if they have to wait the 48 hours. That will be based on whatever information was generated at the beginning of the application. At this point, you can print out this information and give to the customer, or you can remind them that they'll get an email with this information as well. So after this is done, you can go into your ePay system and make the payment for the customer's bill, and the customer will be all set. They would just go home and plug that unit in and enjoy the internet. So when the customer leaves the store, you can just remind the customer that if you got that message, inform them that they will have to wait the 48 hours. There's no call or service appointment needed. The 48 hours, the pre-activation window. Again, Comcast will continue to set up and complete the activation process. If the customer has any questions regarding their account at any time, you can provide the customer with the prepaid customer service line. Also, that information is going to be located in the box. So it's a really easy to get in touch with customer service. They can chat with customer service. Tons of ways to access customer service through the phone, online, and so forth. For payments, the customers are going to come into your location to refill, preferably, so that you can encourage your customers to do so that they can take advantage of the $5 discount. You guys get a 5% commission on the customer's refill. Just please remind the customers that they do not get the $5 discount if they pay online or if they pay over the phone. That discount is only available if they come into a retail location to make that payment. Okay, so again, there is the 855-75 prepaid. That is the customer service line for our prepaid customers. And also note that in order to receive the $5 discount, the customer must make the payment in store. Okay, again, for you, the retailer, we have a retailer hotline, which is 844-523-9967. And again, the 855-75 prepaid, that contact number for customer service is for your customers. Always be certain to receive your kits into your inventory into the Xfinity Prepaid portal. That way you can sell them out and you won't have to stop and add them into your system in order to sell them out. So that's a very important note right there. All right, so that concludes our Xfinity training. I thank you for your time and good luck selling.
Thank you, Shaniqua. And thank you, everyone, for investing in yourself and your business by attending our weekly Hyper University trainings. We appreciate all that you do and appreciate the fact that we're a part of your success. Please don't forget to type your training requests in the chat during any of our live trainings, or feel free to email Jose@hyperlinkusa.com. Thank you again for joining, and stay safe.